everyone, my name is Catalin Tudose and welcome to my Aspect-Oriented Programming with Spring AOP course. I am a Java and Web Technologies expert at Luxot, Romania, and I have more than 20 years of experience in the IT field. More than 15 of them have been dedicated to Java and to the technologies around it. In this course, we are going to discover one interesting and very useful programming technique. The course will show how to develop applications that separate the real business logic from the cross-cutting functionality. The main topics that we are going to approach will be: what is aspect-oriented programming? Introducing Spring aspect-oriented programming. Implementing cross-cutting concerns for normal execution. Implementing cross-cutting concerns for caching and exceptions. Using Spring AOP introductions. By the end of this course, you will know how to develop Java applications that will easily separate the business logic and the cross-cutting concerns. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with object-oriented programming concepts, be proficient in writing Java core code, and have basic understanding of the Spring Core framework and the dependency injection concept. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Spring AOP with the Aspect-Oriented Programming with Spring AOP course at Pluralsight.